What does that term mean for you when you hear cloud native? What do you think of, and what should it mean?
Yeah, no, I can probably talk about that for a long time. So, um, so I think there are multiple ways to. So most of our customers, I would say, our big customers are Fortune 500 companies that own their data centers, understand networking, invest a lot of both networks and servers in the data center, and are going through this transition to the cloud, right? So a lot of that is probably painted from my experience working with our customers. So I think there is the kind of the very technical level that says, okay, I want you to take the applications that used to run and manage in the data center, and I want to take advantage of the cloud, right? And then what does it mean? So does that mean that you're gonna just, spin up a VM in the cloud and do the exact same? Or are you gonna rewrite the applications to take advantage of something that is in the cloud? Or are you gonna redesign your application to really rethink the application and start from the scale of the cloud and take advantage for that? So even there I see at least 3 grades, and of course there is a lot of gradients between the two, just thinking about the applications. And then as you move things over to the cloud, we're calling it cloud smart, or I guess that's a terminology. It's like, can I move everything? And if I can't move everything because regulatory or security or performance considerations or any set of reasons, what do I do with the things that stayed in the data center and how they're going to play?
Yeah,
that would be the second kind of thought process and technology challenge that they're going through. And the third one is really this multi-service, multi-vendor environment, and what does that mean to my business and security and user experience, and how all of that comes together. So I'd say cloud native in the application space is really about, are you just taking some advantage of not storing packets locally, but you're storing them on S3, or redesigning your application such that they take advantage from the ground up from the capability of the cloud. Yeah. But then how this cloud native applications play in my overall user experience, and what is it that I'm trying to do as a business, is another aspect of thinking about what's going to the cloud, but doesn't go, how to think about the cloud, and how to work with that.
Yeah.
So that's kind of one direction. Another one specifically for us is really the networking. So a lot of companies that grew up on the cloud, I think they're used to run their business with a redundancy and build and they design their business such that they don't really know about the network, and they let the network or the cloud provider own the network, and they kind of designed around it. What we see again with our customers is that doesn't work for them. Again, maybe they haven't designed the application correctly, or maybe there's other good reasons. And then when it got to the friction between the cloud provider and their application, it becomes tricky. So what is the information? What is the native information? What are the information that provide back to AWS to solve a problem, or GCP? And we're seeing a lot of friction today where the cloud provider says, well, it is what it is. And then the customer is trying to get capture and provide them proof that it's not what they say it is. And so that's certainly a lot of friction that we're seeing today just around the connectivity in the cloud and getting their services to run in the cloud. So that's, I would say, the third thing that comes in mind in cloud native